Printed circuit boards are not complete without text and artwork that convey useful information and also add a touch of elegance. In the image in this slide, you can see an example of such text and artwork on the back of a Raspberry Pi Zero. You can see the Raspberry Pi logo, logos of various certifications, and various text items that inform us about the model and other things. All this is the Silkscreen. The name Silkscreen is rather misleading. Of course, no actual silk is used to produce the white elements on the PCB. The method used to print the silkscreen in large numbers is a relative of the traditional screen printing process that you can use to print a graphic on a t-shirt. The silkscreen text and graphics are printed on the boards while they are still in the panels. White is the most common color for the silkscreen, but black, yellow, and other colors are also available. In the projects that you'll work through later in this book, you'll spend a considerable amount of time creating the informational and decorations text and graphics in the silkscreen layout of the PCB. Let's move on to the next lecture, where we'll have a look at the drill bit and drill hit.